Welcome to H20 Driverless AI. This is the login screen. Sign in using your credentials and search Drive using the search bar in the left side of the screen. Now click on H20 Auto Insights from the results, which is the first option. Now after clicking on H20 Auto Insights, this screen will appear. Then click on Go to Instance, which is on the right side. Now it will take me to a screen where I can add data sets from the number of sources we are continuously adding to this selection. Now the first step is to import our data set. Now we need to input the source of data set and then add the file. So these are the options through which we can add our file, and yeah, let's have a look at it. And there are many options here, and we click on Excel to upload our file. Now once the data set is imported, we can actually do a number of things. We can decide what we want to do with our data set from the options available to us. So you can see here a lot of options are available, like preview, analyze, rename, delete, or exit. So here we want to analyze the data. So we click on it and then give a name to the analysis and save it. We are giving the name of credit card analysis, and we'll save this name. Now we can actually convert our data type to either categorical or numerical data as per the requirement. So we need data type as numerical here. So we'll keep everything as it is and then click on next. So you can see that we are keeping it as numerical, and then we will click on the next. Now here we actually can select the factors for which we need insights. So here we are selecting amount under measures and fraud under dimensions. And then click next under temporal. Yeah, after clicking next, it will start its analysis and will actually tell you which insights it has selected for analysis. And here we can actually go back and customize the insights if we want to, but here we are straight away starting the data analysis. So it's now analyzing our data set. So this is the results on the screen which you can see. Now in the left side you can see that we can actually view our results together all at once, or we can check them individually. So it depends on us. So we'll see it one by one. And first one is frequency analysis, which will go on now. So when we click on frequency analysis, we see that we get the median, average, outliers, as well as skewness. Next one is top and bottom dimensions, where we get the number of top and bottom frauds detected out of the total records. In measure by dimensions, we get the amount of fraud detected in credit card data we have analyzed. So you can see here. Next one is clustering, where we have three options available on top of the screen, which you can see here. Now there is also this option of clicking on cluster rules. And if we click on cluster rules, we can actually get more insights into our clustering data with regards to the rules. So now we are going on to the cluster rules. Now these are the rules. Now the last insight is for anomaly detection. So we click on it and we see that here 57 anomalies are detected, and we can further explore the anomaly detection rules also, just like we did in case of clustering. So we click on explore the rules and we get few rules here. Yeah, so these are the rules that we get. So now we are actually seeing all our insights together by clicking on all button, which is in the left side. So these are the insights we are looking together.